जहां एक तरफ अर्नब गोस्वामी को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है, गेस हु हैज बीन ग्रांटेड बेल? एडवोकेट विभोर आनंद. Yes, he has got a bail, and you must remember कि Vibhor Anand is the same guy who had posted a lot of defamatory posts against Uddhav Thackeray and the Maharashtra government and Aditya Thackeray in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. और उनको बेल इसलिए मिल गई है बिकॉज उन्होंने रिपेंटेंस दिखाया अपने पोस्ट पर और अपोलोजाइज़ किया, कहा कि ही हैड बीन इन्फ्लुएंस बाय अ टीवी चैनल जिसका नाम है आर भारत, यस रिपब्लिक भारत, द सेम चैनल दैट इज़ रन बाय अर्नब गोस्वामी. और कह रहे हैं कि उनका कोई इंटेंशन नहीं था किसी को डिफेम करने का, और अब वो तहे दिल से माफ़ी मांगते हैं. ही डजंट बिलीव इन व्हाट ही सेड एंड ही विल नॉट डू दिस अगेन. और इसके साथ ही उनको 50,000 का जुर्माना भी हुआ है जो उन्होंने कोर्ट में भरा है, और तब जाके उनको बेल मिली है. सो ही इज़ completely done a world face. He is completely now taken a U-turn from his position. जहाँ वो सबको एक्सपोज कर रहे थे, बहुत सारे पोस्ट कर रहे थे ट्विटर पर और यूट्यूब पर और कई सारे डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर, एंड ही वाज गैदरिंग सो मच ट्रैक्शन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैड ऑफ कोर्स कॉल्ड आउट हिज डूबियस कैरेक्टर एंड ऑल्सो taken out all the previous history of Vibhor Anand, जहाँ पर ये भी दिखाया गया था, including a video that I had done, जहाँ पर I had shown you guys that how he is a character that cannot be trusted. उनके पहले के जितने भी काम हैं वो सारे shrouded in mystery है. And there's also a time when he has raised money in the name of a particular cause, और फिर उस पैसे का कोई हिसाब उन्होंने दिया नहीं है. There are a lot of times he said that he knows a lot of things about a lot of big people and said that I have evidences and when the time comes I'll prove, but he's not been able to do any of that, and eventually he was arrested, and now that he has apologized, he's been given the bail. Ab, the question that many are asking is about the timing of all these arrests and all these bails. एक तरफ जहाँ पर रिया चक्रवर्ती, who is also facing the same charge as Arnab Goswami, which is abetment of suicide, she is out on bail by NCB and she's never been arrested in the case that has been filed against her by Sushant Singh's family and the case that CBI is investigating. और वहीं दूसरी तरफ Arnab Goswami was arrested and dragged out of his house and put into custody. So a lot of people are questioning the timing of this entire media circus that has ensued after Sushant Singh Rajput case. Ab, the question that I want to ask you guys is, where do you think Sushant Singh Rajput's case stands in all of this? Do you think that there is any hope left for Sushant Singh to get justice, or for justice to prevail in general in this particular case, and for the guilty to be brought to book and for the innocent to walk out free? The case has become a complete hodgepodge as of now. A lot of people have lost track of it. Do you also think that way? Please ensure that everything else will take precedence over Sushant Singh Rajput and it will be completely forgotten, and people will move on to the next sensational case that will come. Please let me know in your comment section. If you like my videos, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching.